In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform tables, a powerful tool that transforms how you manage and analyze your form data. Whether you're new to Jotform or looking to extend your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can take full advantage of this feature. First things first, let's navigate to the Jotform website. It's easy to start. Simply go to the official Jotform page. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you've already connected your Jotform account to Google or another platform, you'll have the option to log in through that particular service. This makes the login process seamless and straightforward. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the My Forms page. This is where all your created forms are housed. From here, choose any form you want to work with and look for the More button to the right of the form name. Clicking on More will bring up several options, but what we're interested in for this tutorial is the Submissions option. Selecting this will take you to the data collected from your chosen form. Now here comes the fun part, diving into Jotform tables. Once in the Submissions page, you'll notice the data is already organized into a table format. This is where you can begin to customize and analyze your data. Let's say you want to change the name of a column to better reflect the data it represents. Simply click on the column name and you'll see an option to rename it. This functionality allows for greater flexibility and personalization of your data table. Adding new data to your table couldn't be easier. There's an ADD button conveniently located in your table view. By clicking on this, you're presented with several options to enrich your table. The basic options allow you to add straightforward data types like text, numbers, or dates. This is perfect for when you need to extend your form data manually or input data from outside sources. For those who love automation and efficiency, the formula option under the ADD button is your best friend. With formulas, you can perform calculations within your table, ranging from simple arithmetic to more complex computations. This is particularly handy for generating insights from your data without the need for external software. But that's not all. The versatility of Jotform tables extends to buttons that you can add to your table. These buttons can perform various actions like linking to a URL or even initiating an automated email based on the data row they're associated with. This feature adds a layer of interactivity and functionality to your data table. And if you're looking to integrate your table data with other tools or databases, look no further than the connection option. This powerful feature allows you to seamlessly connect your Jotform tables data with external services, facilitating real-time data sync and expanding the possibilities of what you can achieve with your data. With Jotform tables, the power to organize, analyze, and act on your form data is at your fingertips. From renaming columns for clarity to calculating data with formulas, adding interactive buttons, and connecting your tables to the world, there's virtually no limit to how you can utilize this feature to make data management an effortless part of your workflow. Remember, the key to making the most out of Jotform tables is experimentation. Don't be afraid to explore the various options and customize your tables to suit your specific needs. With a bit of practice, you'll find that Jotform tables not only simplifies your data management tasks, but also opens up new avenues for data analysis and integration. That wraps up our tutorial on how to use Jotform tables. We hope you found this guide helpful and are now equipped to take your data management to the next level with Jotform. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Happy data organizing!